Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, we're going to talk about how to back up your Shopify store step by step. And right here, I'm currently using a free plan, 3 days trial, and this is going to be what's inside my Shopify store. So the first thing you're going to do is head over here on orders. So under orders, you have drafts, abandoned checkouts, you have products, you have customers, content, analytics, and so on and so forth. So once you're in orders, just make sure you select the one that says export. So since we're using a free trial, let's head over to products. The process is definitely the same anyway. Click on the export right there. Make sure you click on all products. And then choose the CSV for Excel. Click on export products. And then basically for that one, your export will be emailed to your account. Or you can just click on all products and then click on plain CSV. Or basically click on current page if you only want the current page you have, but I always suggest go for all products. Now moving forward, once you're done with your products, go back on orders, do the same thing, go back to customers, and basically do the same thing also. So for this one, you can choose current page if you only want the one you're seeing right now, but since we're backing it up, go for all customers, export customers right there, and then it will be emailed to your email. And then so on and so forth, do it all the way to the sections here. Of course, don't forget your theme. Now to back up your theme, for this one, go to your online store for this, click themes, and then click on the right 3 dots right there. You can download the theme file. Send email to your email account, and basically for that one, you have successfully backed up your Shopify store. And that's how easy it is. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.